Nongmihkhmat Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hakan riutrik luber ahaja arplai kila Shim Smai ya kejinglong dekot chagiying dorbar thawan jong kejala ya kadi kejingbam Smai la penyat the pro tem speaker jong assembly Timothy D Shira.
I, Honorable K. Salman, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to commit.
Having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Dr. Celestine Lingo, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about